Let's break down the refrigeration cycle in the simplest way possible. This is the process that makes your AC cool your room. Step 1. Evaporator. Inside room. First, inside your home, warm air passes over the evaporator coil. The refrigerant inside absorbs this heat and turns into a low-pressure gas. That's how heat is removed from your room. Step 2. Compressor. The heart. Now this gas goes to the compressor. The compressor squeezes it, increasing its pressure and temperature. Now it becomes a hot, high-pressure gas. Step 3. Condenser. Outside unit. This hot gas moves to the outdoor unit. Here, a fan blows air over the condenser coils. The heat is released outside, and the refrigerant turns back into liquid. Step 4. Expansion valve. Finally, the liquid passes through the expansion valve. Pressure drops suddenly, and it becomes cold again, ready to absorb heat once more. Cycle loop. And this cycle repeats again and again, keeping your room cool continue. So remember, your AC doesn't create cold air. It simply moves heat from inside to outside. And that's the secret behind cooling. Follow for more HVAC tips that save you money and help you understand your system better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more HVAC tips and easy solutions. It really helps support the channel. Hey, if this saved you time or money, make sure to like and hit subscribe. I post simple HVAC tips that actually work.
Thank you for watching. Please like the video, leave a comment, subscribe for more content, and click the bell icon to turn on notifications.